yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the
An equaliser, which has taken them just 14 minutes in finding. African football is in delirium here.
Wednesday, actually, midweek edition of the Omashi Sports. Yeah, 4K. You know, now, in your make and be a amateur, we can be out to, what we can be out to, we can be name. Chef Edo, what give me a pasta, hello, evangelist Davil. What Jimmy, or Polly, I couldn't be at the who at the Avotagin, couldn't be a food, but take it, couldn't be a food. I want to shall be cry. In 2 weeks, I want to let Shami and the one year game in Bongo, I could pick my up so kind. When I shall be crying, yes, Shami, what's the Shami problem bay? As a chair, it's a dad, the mocker in front of fine. Or one time back on the chair, yes, Shami army. Me support me, preserve me, body, me 4 young affair because cabo machine, young affair. Nibietino, Libia, Libiano, Wally, Cababine, Alo, or Pugamne, make me wow, Libia for. Was no great aim academy, Wally, Gamami. Interpretation is saying no, Jamie, I mean, wow, look at all be a lady, to Doctor, Granaka School, Nijimini, Great Aim Academy. Cotoni, Eleni Walla, Wally, basic drops to finding Keke Unue, Ibani, Oleni Wallo, Yawa, busy to Amijibani, Mouse, Alarm, choice, according to the Fanafi for. Oh, Wallo, you know one, I got you, you know one, the one only, just fully. International, continental, universal, global. I will be quite near 1 10 on ye, remember, Cardiff City, Wolves, a 4K, at least, of that draw. Beakashing near Wabia, Nebeke, where she name, or Rakashing, go for a draw of winner, I can warrant you, near at least, of that draw alone. For some win match, if you had to more 3 minutes spent about pa, what you were Binu, across ball, what you were Binu, oh, Sademo, Cow, let it go me, Bansari, if you know who. Because I will go to Ninja fee, keep out pay very well because ball edge crossing tone. 5 year winner, the party body like Omiao, it will feel 1. Akpata. Chef no ko place body and body. Atisgi Ebna Jinshin. Que Semenya new play by the 2 chale in Wadenche. For fair Adenshin first affair fit from average game. She second affair Ghana improved or improve without she better what team and blaster coach in the Abeno. Oh. That was Shami Faruku. First, I'm Faruku. First, I'm here, Gabe. Bear I'm a body. Because back the last 6 matches, or Winiku. The last past 6 matches, or Winiku. Our 5. Also, again, 2. Again, Germany 5. Again, our work again. Oh, I can carry our cap. So when I'm around him, you okay, our cap. Or at least what I broke a was then Jeff Luku. She's saying like she, I want to order Freddie Marchi. I come to Jamaica, the German, that's the Fares. So I come out. Wawame, because I put your captain. The cat is here. I feel put Ghana versus England. ya fait putu Ghana versus Panama nous elle me pe ko la koko si je ba wa yi lo ji gen ba wa fe Ghana ka ko sha la o kan fa dan o wa ko ba wale si be ngeli nye pa nye tout a fait ko ye Central Hotel ye rich tamam yini ye phone chat me yo rich mami de ma fait ni Gio Salo Ghana Commonwealth Association Commonwealth Ghana Association Ghana we Commonwealth mi Commonwealth kim se da we ada ni bene Ghana onu pa tipa akeshin am feel ready alors avec confirme que am feel ready ki a game se wo nye Central Hotel akpa mama akeshin tale media bi a check media bi press conference papa ko anagbe na cho many apply for accreditation there chabao eke many apply for volunteer say le China wo simto ko diske basa bi ala ku ni afi bila ke bela kali kaso ke ya fi ai simto mi to ko basa ame video ku fi ko na ji ko na amemura wo keso ku ji GF chama jali lenche ji enkeje to yi kwa ke video le yam je ke sho nto ko ke video le kalika wa oyin ko China po coach curious allo querious naturally fe ko kalika kalika omto ko je chale MCA o ko na ke video e fo eke o ko don je shikura because at least ni wona mi chef you me play say allo play say kura nyen ke o ke fo no ko man na o tendo man famo c'est vrai que me pi ko o ko nye kati kalika tan ko lo ko do me se lo play say fin ka me no ba mo lo go ma 3 awo keke ana mo wo 3 to bila na mo wo 10 wo ko kalika ke wa yin no ma 3 irenchi ko le gbe kale bi irenchi ta ka chole kale bi irenchi
okay we be caterpillar you go say we go ten to the la kalika if I the dance I just manika okay we be caterpillar you go say we go ten to the la
kalika yin
we be caterpillar, you go say we go ten to the la, kalika. If I the dance, I just manika. Okay, we be caterpillar, you go say we go ten to the la, kalika. If I the dance, I just manika. Okay, we be caterpillar, you go say we go ten to the la, kalika. If I the dance, I just manika. Okay, we be caterpillar, you go say we go ten to the la, kalika. If I the dance, I just manika. Okay, we be caterpillar, you go say we go ten to the la, kalika. If I the dance, I just manika. Okay, we be caterpillar, you go say we go ten to the la, kalika. If I the dance, I just manika. Okay.
Bon jona wo kalika ka World Cup imagine ma kashin Ghana te World Cup wo first go kalika ye chale kekera go e World Cup ya fe butu kalika de o kalika aka mbaya World Cup ko la na try yeme na cho this World Cup na ya ne kan after me about ala about 20 to 15 minutes after ala ko ni pese ke do me ko ni français la na mi chef you ko ni me ni po small ball e ama small ball agbene nena chifa Tony amke lu kwa ba ko ni me small ball ko ko sha wale fe show sha wale alo so mo ka me fe show alo ara musicians ka fe show o ba member aba fe ball be kmepo atena ke no vi me na ke no bale ko ni ake bibia miss ball social media ke dike bloggers ke dike streamers ke be da from pa ball mi ko ni ball agun o kan after me after ala ka to ala eke ake jinja ma fiu ka je sheku a charo ke se ke afe o dope nation ama World Cup ko dike awo go dike kalika je kalika o so far so good nye odo across ball ke baba manje ni agete ye club ball ko de ke ni ball ba baba manje ka otro ka yin o ka do fu epi ka otro ka yin boy na e ka gbe yo sa le pi so fi captain la captain ba le o fi captain la o fi captain o chale do mi si fi no ko ke so mo yo place sali na because o fa mo get show mistake o bona mo a fait mistake ben wo la o go abu wani o fi no ko e fi ko temi sese ko na yin na no na wo e wo ni no ba ka chale pa fa o chale na mi ale a bash le chu a bash ya barama si da so bomo ni player ni o na mi ale a fi mistake si lo ne ba e ba trap onu ta wo le ça veut go pour ça veut go ko de ka pan que be fait pas que bien fait against les et fait no ko wo na mi se yehi because egbe to mu be no go fi me egbe to mu aka shi me kuma ashi Tarek Lamptey ashi Tarek Lamptey ashi Meru ashi Joseph Pencil ashi Kudus ashi Salisu o chale ashi Juku mo gba jini chole quality players ashi fe akemete so la kashi wonye 50 new players team name 50 new players le kaji send MCR le kan picture 15 players new players ba team name 15 new players alors 15 debutants am World Cup de Ghana ni World Cup la ne World Cup ko be expensive o fait ça ben le chale aba pa ko France ati wa ko crowd no go problem o ka pele ko akodan wa yi no di menke men yani men ko Croatia ona ko shati me o le min pade egbe Lucas Doko Modric yes Lucas Modric njo na o le Modric ni etwa AC Milan jo Real Madrid ni biye boy le ete AC Milan jo Real Madrid na pade ka bi egbole yo ke ka pe bi ni obi ke o Samuel ke wine ke ni obi mo no to awon ka ko odugba na ka me po fu be na so be njo le o ke ni place ya amba ko be ma pan ke ma jese ke ni bi ke ma boost ke ni bi won ne ku da yi saka me fe trouble la buchi o ko fe do ko wo inke ona me ma team me ngla no team me ina team me tani ina team me ko ina team me Hurricane yemi le chale lo we mistake say le chale a bien fast thinking no power was be ambangele do Hurricane copy menu ne ngeto Ghana e ina team me copy menu James Chelsea no 5 e alo to at say am lo e team me ko ina nga team me shock ni ken ko me player Real Madrid player Bellingham jo blanc le Bellingham lo yemi oba Ghana oba nyame England team me china ko England team wani ke England ko si agoni form what you ni ka je Ghana what to agro for to agro ma agro what's our agro soccer what agro soccer mo pass polo me Razak me ale ku me adofama me bodam tabo le agro pass o se kofi me malaji jabe me oh ngada le boss e gbe o boss to afefiti then tin won yen party me won fu de jale awa ke se awa abe fluid abe oh si wa fluid so la ke sin wana me to bon okay nuama yes que fi o nuama yes ki me lo e me shaku okay e kama din Sulemana le do fu ke after ball e o jale wai na afia ko le ball ni amela si ke coach se le coach bon o le kwemo lo ki sani o le kwemo okay si me ni okwe onte no ye ngmengbe Central Hotel ko na pièce che ona video se ko na pièce la nye nke Richard Abu Avi Esquire the president of the Ghana Olympic Committee at same time president of the Commonwealth Games Association Ghana a launch of Federation Ghana we are ready ni so ni CDM chef de mission le ba ga we are ready we are ready and we are set I confirm actually what yake about some number of sports JFN because the sports actually no commenter fait c'est baba o ibe actually no get 10 pay ibe na 10 events be no mape open o ba yake athletics fuji no ba ya I track and food they are going most of them here abrochi I been training abrochi o ba yake boxes 10 multi-strategy yemi mbara kama lewe yemi there's papu le yemi Amadou Mohamed le yemi dale coach zelon coach Asari yeme coach Tascott yeme coach what like what le yeme ya win by I win by I mean I'm going for it correct que fait for team wo the shot of the medal je medal ke gold medal la ke meneke la da Fuseni pro de Ghana Boxing Federation la da Fuseni et que last time at the Commonwealth Games o que silver tuba que bronze kubi Chafine no me jagwa me ke silver ba jagwa me ke silver ba Chafine with process to your calibrate there's a papa me ke libi matachite ke bene bezankra process to your fine ko na kra bana go denyo ke silver ke bronze ke femba chien but you box yemi we ka box sana wa ha me special treatment ya me training we for okay je boxing ke athletics pe o ke na judo ngwe ya no chi train ke judo ke cycling fio ke swimmers ba ya ko na ne apart from swimming o ke para athletes ba ya para athletes o ke me para athletes via ka ba ya ole mene Zina Buisa yako ole bene Kairu Haruna Kairu the macho man the strongest man yako wo tale kapoda kwa kashi wa boy na because practice ele am kamera baba from Sidini he was there yeah sure kashi practice ele do bring meda the way kashi media bi ke fie we report positively o ka report negative o ka report negative no na visa lo na quotation da mo ashwa o report sports negative e ke o to lo na quotation no o hani ACL uma say the sport market world do ba show really negative about the sport e ke o to o visa look alo ai quotation look ya abu na chon many apply for quotation maintain reson ato me 50 pay alo 20 go pay o me sane e why na me ma about athletics ball swam ma ball yeng ma about athletics yeng ma about swimming singeto ni accommod games ku fane wa ifade wa ko to do accommod games ane be promote more sports let's no sports that no let's no sports at least for that sports promote more me one boxing table tennis taekwondo judo squash cricket ona golf na can be fair sports ni ye fo eke okay wa mto ko nte no ye central hotel ni picture se ko be we ko na video je picture se wa video ko wa na video la un okay no ya ye fo eke
all that we are doing for the incumbent is that we are pre-financing that, so because we can't, government takes time for government to release funds, so we need to do that. Thank you. It's enough. Okay. If you ask me, it's not enough. Because what I want to do is more than what is there, but that is what we have been given. So we have to, that's why we're also doing the further appeal. The more we get up, ideally, for some of these, at least by now they should all be in the UK, acclimatizing. Because if you keep the boxer in Buku, or you keep Zinabu who lives in Kumasi, then you are not helping her. If you want her to do well, take her out of that place, keep her, let her go to acclimatize. Because the weather in Glasgow is a bit, it's not very easy, even those who are, can change easily, so they need to acclimatize and then prepare. So ideally those should have been there, but that is money, cost money. We don't are encouraged to extend their hand to support us. When, as a country, as a government, as a people, we intentionally balance the funding for sports, our impact on young people becomes broader, deeper, and infinitely more meaningful. Our expectation for these games transcend the podium. We expect a structural commitment to the youth of this country. There are thousands of brilliant young Ghanaians from Kabanga to Accra, from Yosu to Keita, who do not play only one sport, football. They also play other sports, including hockey, boxing, badminton, cycling, volleyball, basketball, canoeing, arm wrestling, netball, cricket, whatever. Even if they are perceived to be in a minority, they also fundamentally deserve the crowns that fall from the dinner table. Our expectation for Glasgow 2026 is that every athlete we field will be treated with the absolute dignity and resource backing of a national hero. Administratively, the CGA Secretariat has worked tirelessly over the past months to navigate the rigorous logistics mandated by Commonwealth Sports. I am pleased to inform the public and the press that the technical, media, and athletics accreditations phases for the Ghanaian delegation have been successfully finalized and cleared, and soon all sports will submit the list of accredited media to us and will also pass it on to you. Our administrative structures are airtight, ensuring that our contingent faces zero of failed distractions. I'm also proud to also inform you about the establishment of Ghana House in Glasgow throughout the duration of the Games. Ghana House will serve as our nation's hub, a cultural hub, and a strategic business lounge in Scotland. It will be a space where international corporate partners, diplomats, and the global Ghanaian diaspora can converge to celebrate our culture, explore sports tourism, and network for future investments. To unify our collective mission, Team Ghana will march under a singular, powerful, and definitive banner for the 2026 Games. Our official campaign slogan is Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold. Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold. Again, Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold. We are determined to do whatever we can to ensure that the athletes perform and bring us honest gold medals. Over the last 1 year, we've been talking about
Immigration has to say.
I'm Ofini Adams, Minister for Sports and Recreation. In few days' time, Team Ghana will be at the Commonwealth Games. These are in hosted in Glasgow 2026. We have always had a record of great performances at these levels. We know this year is going to be better. Government has done its bit by providing the necessary logistical support to Team Ghana to train and be ready. I call on every Ghanaian, corporate institutions, and partners across the world to rally behind Team Ghana so that Ghana returns home with medals and honor. The team is ready also to do us once again the honors. We will return with gold. Good Team Ghana, bring us gold, bring us victory. It is one nation, one team, and one dream. Team Ghana, feel the power. Team Ghana, we dare to win. Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold. Glasgow, here we come.
Wow. If we can ever join, what ready? Team Ghana, free the power. Team Ghana, dare to win. Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold. Ncheko, iwe ko ri we before. Alo tonu. Rakela ba fi ni na ji o ke the pledge. National pledge, da ba fi program na ji o fe o ke the national pledge. Ndo is bo play ka ke Ghana ko te ya o. Shiba we ko Team Ghana, bon ka we ke bo ka se we won. Team Ghana, for the power. Team Ghana, dare to win. Team Ghana, from Ghana to Glasgow for gold. In the day can say gold, the real gold. What president ke sanu actually say Africa gold around their neck. You medal bat medal ni ke ye fo ke wo prepare do ba lenche. Ka hwe kra wo hwe won we wo prepare ni wo ready. Wo nya Commonwealth game say. Wo ba ya ni ro yo ke bo se sinya. Actually sinya. It to mo bena ba c'est national senior c'est African senior na te ni wona medal Africa ya ne o game da ba athletics crap mi to ko do ni star ba we le na Kofi Adams e akwa star match she get e say we on video no na on video she get te ba star match akwa ball the Cardiff to o chano ko ti se da ba wu alo apara na ba wu ye jeme ye Cardiff ye Commonwealth game say o tare ba wu is by THB or THB go brand. Good afternoon,
thank you everyone. I think Honorable Minister has spoken already, so I'll keep it very short. Mr. President, all the presidents here, our own
president of the Ghana Olympic Committee, doing a fantastic job. Just looking at the numbers here tells you the passion indeed, as has been said by previous speakers. And I have a very good relationship with the British High Commission. I'm sure they will definitely look into every single application on its merit, and I'm sure a lot more people will get their visas sorted out. We have a great football team, and it is for that reason why we should be patient and go through the process. But I'm very confident the fact that he's here means that he'll convey that message. But finally, to our media, again, to reiterate what President Samson Dean said, it's very important that we sell the product. The product is why we are all here. Whether you're working for OKFM, BBC, CNN, Joy FM, is the product. If we destroy the product with our reportage, what then do we have to sell? So it's very important. I'm not saying, I'm a journalist, I'm not saying don't talk about the issues, no. But let's use a lot of discretion. Let's also offer alternatives. Constructive criticism is very important. And I know in Ghana, the sports media is the biggest ecosystem. Imagine if we could sell that, how much credit and merit we'll get into this ecosystem. So please, as much as we're very passionate about talking about the challenges, let's also offer viable solutions and build the brand
Association and the Commonwealth Games Federation and the DG and National Sports Authority and all members of the various sporting community, and mostly and importantly the athletes themselves, because they're the ones that make the games. So I look forward, as we've heard, to Ghana being in Glasgow and getting gold, as many as they can get, in a few weeks' time, in a couple of months. We're very excited about the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Glasgow's hosted it before and will host it again this year. And we know that Ghana comes with a lot of colour, a lot of passion, a lot of commitment, and a lot of energy. And we look forward to Ghana succeeding at the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. And the reason that I'm here and the High Commissioner is not here is because he's in the UK with His Excellency President Mahama. I think some of you may have seen the story, and it just shows that engagement. The President met with the Prime Minister of the UK this morning and will meet His Majesty the King tomorrow. And it shows the strength and the breadth of the relationship between the UK and Ghana. So sport is one element of that. And they're driving a wider growth and trade and economic partnership, which will hopefully benefit all sectors of society in Ghana, including sport. And the reason I think that the sport minister is not here is because he's in Cardiff. And I wonder if you know why. The Black Stars are there, and they're playing this evening against Wales. So we wish them luck. And in 3 weeks' time, exactly, it'll be the big match. It'll be England versus the Black Stars in Boston, USA. And I know who I'll be supporting. And I know who you will be supporting. But I wish you all the very best. We look forward to Ghana's presence at the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. And may they really excel, may they succeed. And we hope to see lots of medals coming back to Ghana. Thank you.
My brothers and sisters are going to these common games. I've been there and I got to the top. Go to the top. We need the gold medal and take the gold medal. And I have to go to Olympic Games and they boycott the Olympic Games because of Africa, South Africa's partner. So I couldn't go and I turned professional. Turned professional and I became world champion, and I was in Qatar for 10 years. It's all about God-fearing, hard-working. I would like to tell my brothers and sisters that they are going. That it's not about juju, it's not about anything. It's about and good food. In our time was the late President Jerry John Rawlings, who's our manager. and he took good care of us. Food, training, and everything we need to get it. And when we went, he didn't disgrace him. We do our best. We did our best. So I'm encouraging all of the sportsmen that they are going. I mean, you see somebody on their feet, the way he moves, you look at him and you say, how can I challenge this man? That he's putting fear in you. Don't be afraid. You can do it if somebody has done it. So I know that if I've done it, I did it, and I know that somebody too can do it. So I'm encouraging you are behind me. God bless you. I wish you all the best.
The Commonwealth Games has been a memorable one. A debut appearance in Vancouver 1954 with only 9 athletes set the tone for endless possibilities which awaited Ghanaian athletes across genders. 1958 in Cardiff holds a special place in the hearts of Ghanaians as Robert Ebenezer Abose Korte won Ghana's first medal in high jump. In Perth 1962, finally Michael Ahed's success brought home Ghana's first gold medal. 1962, 1966 and 1974 is a perfect reminder of what Ghana can achieve at the Commonwealth Games, as athletes brought 9 medals each from 1962, 1966, and 1974. Boxing has always been a ray of hope for the country. The Black Bombers account for 34 out of the 63 medals, with Azuma Nelson, Eddie Blake, Joe Dakin, Raymond Na, Clement Forte, Sule Shittu made boxing the #1 choice for Ghanaians at the Quadrennial Games. Alice the Baby Jet was already a shining star. In 1970 and 1974 cemented a legacy at the Commonwealth Games. In 200 meters and 100 meters, she won 3 medals in these. She broke the glass ceiling for women. Margaret Simpson followed suit in 2002 in Manchester when she won a medal in Kentucky. Deborah Akpan, a long jump in 2022 in Birmingham, won a medal following suit with other women who had done that. But the story of Ghana's Commonwealth Games exploits cannot be completed without noting the roles of Ignatius Gaza, Stanley Ante, James Addy, the 1966 4x100 relay team comprising of Ebenezer Addy, Boma Menz, James Addy, Stanley Ante. 2022 in Birmingham marked the return of Ghana on the podium in athletics as Joseph Paul Amma won a bronze medal for Ghana in 200 meters. For Ghana, it has been a journey of pride, one of resilience and strong display, the true spirit of the community.
So, as you can see, you can start scrolling down so that I can let it in. So this will be our opening ceremony attire for the games. And this will be a tracksuit. Okay, this will be the opening ceremony attire. This will be a tracksuit for every athlete and official as well. And this will be a windbreaker, like a hoodie, just in case the weather is a bit cold. This is what we'll be wearing for athletes and then coaches and officials as well. This is a camp wear, easy wear, and what about for every official and athletes as well. There's another wear as well. We have another camp wear as well for athletes, who we have maybe 2 or 3 of that for athletes and coaches. Same thing for a warm-up and then a walkabout apparel as well. If you choose to wear it for a warm-up or walkabout, this is one of them as well. athletes for the games. Underlayer for athletes who want to wear, and then maybe probably athletics as well. So this is another layer for athletes. Another underlayer as well. These are the bags and accessories for the game: the backpack and the bag, a water bottle, the cap, and a small bag to pack your stuff as well. The socks, these are the socks that we have. We have black, white, and yellow for each athlete and an official. We have a slippers and a towel, a face towel as well for each athlete and official. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, no machine, Kafiri Kaduchi, in a machine, we were dead live. You know what they all for? Oshano Shio, Oshano Fiano, Nanofiano, Oshino, Kuala, Oshino, Oshiko Gura, Okotona, Fe, Diamond Como machine. So to Cotton of Fiano Como machine. Nepo GMT Fika Payani, Finance, can many win for GFA. Time baby, you can manage Peter Sugar. She can't give say 1 year. Benny and Afiano, as well as was there. Macassi was there. Everybody who matters in sports was there. NSA boss, your Franca was there. Everybody was there. Sam Siding was there. Everybody was there. Charlie War, what prepare can come on say 1 year. We are cannot spiritually everything correct. You are winning. She in coming boxing. Or one time you were boxing present there. Look at you a few minutes early. That I've seen. One a few minutes, she don't even care. 2 minutes per only care. Come back, she walk like I said, you know, what could I have said? Only care, few peke. Okay, awkward the way for Akashi. If I know what cape, if I don't care buying, if I can you buying. What could I cake in say in Glasgow? What I've said, only care.
I mean, I don't know better for me because the last outing they will tell me that Brazil when I put me why do como vai também me amém muito ele na internet já se vai me comigo this year 2026 né o minha wo here we will improve upon the last outing in the year when I go ya ko me ko no ka ba ha Ghana if you like many you know what funny about fear because Ghana be fe no dia Ghana be I mean we call them ake o baba no tula chi many I feel the fun fiam ake when games the game go no buy the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow the City New Scotland I'm honey what na many years I'm a athletics I'm a athlete 12 buyer boxing I'm a 10 buyer ni judo me enyo swimming me 4 ke famille if you like ko enyo ne allo discipline say na me chefi boxing ke athletics chi sport ko ni if you like I'm me pia because I'm a himo kennedy ka sport say ni ke waka to 4 years ago no what eji ne ke disciplines enyo ne no ji many amenya me ke medals ba Ghana athletics boxing and no judgment na make medal le ba Ghana we no we wanna how me be a lot of athletes here so I believe I can wa me no boys ni no listen we fi Ghana
okay to bone you bonjo we ke box athletics the only medal se ba or hope the boxing we expect more good from the boxers to bone you more everything is on course 1 year Common Games say 1 year she minto wona Croatia ametime okengwena ke England ametime eke wona Panama ametime what is ke Panama eke wona things e okenemuna isake fe yoko machine because so ale ave butu bien okay what cap somba when ke what ke die ke Common Game celebration say she wo team say ba World Cup wo England team ke Croatia team ke Panama la team abwana muwe kabwana muwa kashi mena damu ni wakabana ya anambemi wako team say Panama team ene ame wole mkuemi wo bo watu ko wo Croatia team la Croatia team inke Modric emie Modric padne kokwe di mi fe de say number 1 Luka Modric le yo je ni nke mane amiye place akpa bola abele twa pa abele technically gifted kwe okwe England bi elo am team ni na po mi se gbe kwe como team mi England team wow ona Jude Bellingham ona le game comme menu ona le Rice quoi Declan Rice individual player Arsenal quoi ona team je ko akebu ona sta ke say Harry Kane mi ona le Modric and family mi Rashford Rashford kaba Gada Rashford mi se gbe Kobe Rashford mi Gada Gada awe bahin ko ti all out jiku be mi ye na ba tackle anan no penalty ye Jaligana o ba ko o ka je ka June bi e share at I mean 8 days to go be 8 pay 8 days per day no asawe ka pe me bote bo magic we shege mo England am shege ben ke am shege Miami England ma la de Miami e fo eke Senegal am to mo ke vet ami amete ma gi piete kana wa ku by now we gbe no wa ya e wo chali kokko show na ngona kokko show ne ni ball ya to mi was truly general one international continental global WFI universal WFI e wo ball nda busha kokko show da nda bushi
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself.